Did you know that around 47% of adults over 30 have some form of gum disease? That's right. Millions of people are dealing with this condition. But here's the good news. You can treat gum disease right from the comfort of your home. So let's dive into this topic. Gum disease, also known as periodontal disease, can sneak up on you. Common symptoms include swollen or bleeding gums, persistent bad breath, and even loose teeth. It might not seem like a big deal at first, but untreated gum disease can lead to serious issues like tooth loss and even affect your overall health. But don't worry. I'm here to share some effective home remedies that can help you manage gum disease and keep your gums healthy. Now let's talk about the prevalence of gum disease. It's more common than you might think. If left untreated, it can lead to more severe health problems, including heart disease and diabetes. It often starts with plaque buildup, which can harden into tartar, leading to inflammation. This can cause your gums to pull away from your teeth, creating pockets that can become infected. That's why it's crucial to tackle this problem early and effectively. Luckily, there are several easy and affordable home treatments you can try to help combat gum disease before it gets worse. Here are 5 effective home remedies for treating gum disease. All right, let's jump into the remedies. Don't worry, here's the solution, do you know? This mineral in your mouth to rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues. From gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection, and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural, soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth after brushing your teeth to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description. And in only 10 seconds, you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.